Want to know how your subjects in this semester will affect on the semester and cumulative GPA? Or you want the cumulative GPA to reach a certain value in this semester? Before the final exam you want to calculate your marks and know how many marks should you get to pass? Or to get a certain grade? Or what is the highest grade you can get? For example, this semester you signed a 21-hour and get a 3.4 in semester GPA. What will the cumulative GPA be? In the first time you opens the app it will ask you about university, faculty, department, level, and semester, to search by them in the database about all things. The first thing is your subjects, and if it exists, it will be downloaded for you. Instead of insert them and rename each subject. The second thing is how GPA calculated in your university, which you can fully modify it from here, to ensure that result in the app the same as university. And if not exists in database, you can add them by yourself. So when you and your colleagues use the app again, the subjects and GPA settings will be available.